Tell me the make and model of your bike.
It's a 2019 Kawasaki Z650.
Okay. Is this, how long you've been riding?
I've been riding for like, in the States I've been riding for like 2 years.
2 years?
But this is my first bike here.
I was gonna say, is this your first bike?
Right.
Did you buy it brand new or used?
I bought it used.
Used?
Yeah,
How many miles did it have when you bought it?
Oh, it just clocked on 5,000 right now.
No, when you bought it, how many miles did it have?
Oh, it had 2,400.
2,400.
Yeah.
So you basically doubled the miles, you know?
I did, yeah.
Since you got it. Okay.
Yeah.
Why this style of Kawasaki versus another brand like a Honda or a Suzuki? Did you try this brand before?
No, I did not try this brand before, but like Kawasaki and Honda. I was like looking for Hondas as well.
Okay.
But like this was like in my price range, so I just got this.
And did it like you tried it? Did it fit? It's a beautiful bike and all that.
Yeah,
So,
when I bought the bike, I did like I was trying to buy the Ninja 650.
okay, that's what
Yeah.
I wanted to know.
I wanted to buy a Ninja 650, but then I was like looking at Facebook Marketplace,
Okay.
and basically this is the same bike as well, just like a naked version.
Naked version,
So I
right?
was like, why not try this as well? So I like the body position for like riding posture for this better than the sports.
Okay.
What's going on?
You know?
Doing good.
Hey, nice to see you again, sir. Good. So, what's your plan with the bike? Have you done anything to the bike? Are you going to keep it for a while or what? It's a beautiful bike.
Yeah, I'm going to keep it for a while. The stuff I've added to the bike is this MRA windscreen.
Yeah, yeah.
And then I have the Acropolis with titanium full system.
Oh, okay. Let's see. Oh, did you put that in?
I did, yeah.
Okay. Did you do it yourself or do you have somebody else help you?
Oh, I did it myself.
Oh, good. So you're pretty. That means you're pretty technical. You probably do your
Yeah,
service.
I like to work on my own.
Oh, so you're
right.
okay. So that's really good because then it's saving you a lot of money and also you know when you did the service
right,
and
yeah.
all that, better records. So you do the oil change and oil filter and all that, yourself.
And then I also did the seat cowl.
Seat cowl?
And he already had the fender delete when I bought it.
Ah, he did. Okay. Yeah.
That's pretty much it.
Good. So what's your riding style? Where are you riding nowadays?
I usually like
Highways or side roads or what?
I like curves, so I usually go to like dams and like where I have the like twisties.
Oh, so you like twisties.
Right,
oh,
yeah.
okay. So that's just your style of riding style, huh?
Yeah. But I like riding in the group as well.
And the group as well?
Right.
Cool. Awesome. Well, it's nice meeting you. This is the first time here?
No, I've been riding with this group like for a while now, yeah.
Oh, you come here often with this group?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a very nice group.
It is a nice group, yeah. It's a safe riding, like.
Safe riding, exactly. That's what I like about him is he's always preaching to, that, hey, you come in a group, do the right thing.
Right, and no one's left behind.
No one is left behind and all that. So that's a very good,
Right.
concept and all that, you know what I mean? Good. Well, nice to see you in the group.
Nice to see you too.